You quietly destroying your car without even knowing it? Most drivers are. And honestly, the worst part is, the habits that cause the most damage often feel completely normal. Today, I'm breaking down 13 driving mistakes that can destroy your transmission, engine, suspension, brakes, and steering system long before your car should ever have major problems. Some of these are so common that people do them every single day. If you drive a manual or automatic, this video could save you thousands in repairs. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Resting your hand on the shifter. This one seems harmless, but it is not. If you drive a manual and keep your hand on the shifter while cruising, you are putting constant pressure on internal transmission components that were never designed to carry that load. Over time, that extra pressure can wear out the shift fork and synchronizers, leading to rough shifts, grinding, and expensive transmission damage. The fix is simple. When you are not shifting, keep your hand off the shifter. Mistake 2. Riding the clutch. A lot of manual drivers do this without realizing it. Even light pressure on the clutch pedal can cause the clutch to slip slightly, which creates heat, friction, and premature wear. That heat destroys the clutch disc and puts extra strain on the throwout bearing. A clutch that should last a long time can wear out much earlier if you keep your foot resting on the pedal. When you are not shifting, keep your foot fully off the clutch. Mistake 3. Driving hard before the engine warms up. Right after a cold start, your engine oil is thick and slow to circulate. That means critical parts like pistons, rings, and bearings are not getting full protection yet. If you start the car and immediately floor it, you are forcing the engine to work under the worst possible conditions. Most engine wear happens during cold starts and the first few minutes of driving. The smarter move is simple. Start the car, wait a short moment, and drive gently until the engine reaches normal temperature. Mistake number 4 is slamming the brakes when they're still cold. Your brake system actually needs a little time to come up to working temperature. If you brake hard right away, especially in the first mile or two, you can shock the rotors and pads. That can lead to warped rotors, brake vibration, and reduced stopping performance. Cold brakes just aren't at their best yet, so it's smart to drive smoothly at first and avoid aggressive stops until everything has warmed up. Mistake number 5 is running your fuel tank too low. Constantly driving with less than a quarter tank of fuel can actually shorten the life of your fuel pump. Fuel helps cool the pump, so when the tank runs low, the pump has to work hotter and harder. Running low also increases the chance of pulling sediment from the bottom of the tank, which can clog filters and injectors. A good habit is to keep your tank above a quarter full whenever possible. Mistake number 6 is accelerating hard in reverse. Reverse was never designed for aggressive driving. It's meant for slow, controlled movement, not forceful acceleration. If you back out of parking spots hard or hit the gas too aggressively in reverse, you can shock the transmission and stress the reverse gear. Over time, that kind of abuse can lead to serious transmission damage, so just reverse slowly. There's really no reason to rush it. Mistake 7. Turning the steering wheel while the car is stopped. This actually puts a huge amount of stress on your power steering system and your tires. When the car is stationary, the tires resist movement a lot more than they do when you're rolling. That means the power steering pump and steering rack have to work much harder just to turn the wheels. It also adds unnecessary wear to your tires. A better habit is to let the car roll just a little bit before turning the wheel. Mistake 8. Overloading your vehicle. Every vehicle has a weight limit for a reason. When you regularly overload your car, you're putting excess stress on the suspension, brakes, tires, and transmission all at once. That can lead to cracked springs, overheating brakes, premature tire wear, and, honestly, poor handling. Check the sticker inside the driver's door jamb and stay within the recommended payload capacity. Mistake 9. Shifting into park before the car fully stops. This is a small mistake that can cause some pretty big damage. If you shift into park while the car is still rolling, even just a little, you're forcing the parking pawl to engage before it should. That can chip, crack, or damage the mechanism inside your transmission. Always come to a complete stop before shifting into park. Mistake number 10. Driving through deep water. Water and engines just do not mix, folks. If water gets into your intake system, it can cause something called hydrolock, and that can bend connecting rods and, honestly, destroy your engine in just seconds. Deep water can also mess up your wheel bearings, brakes, and even your electrical components. So if the water looks deep enough to reach the intake area, just don't risk it. Turn around if you can. Mistake number 11, revving a cold engine. Some drivers start the car and instantly rev it hard, but that's actually one of the fastest ways to increase wear. Cold oil just doesn't lubricate as quickly as warm oil does, so revving the engine too early can cause metal-to-metal contact in the valve train and bearings. That extra stress really adds up over time. It's best to let the engine idle briefly, then drive gently until everything is warmed up. Mistake number 12. Hitting potholes at speed. Potholes are honestly brutal on your car. Driving through them too fast can damage your tires, bend your wheels, knock your alignment out of spec, and even harm suspension components like control arms and struts. Just one hard hit can cost you way more than slowing down ever would. So when you see a pothole, slow down and steer around it safely if you can. Mistake number 13. Ignoring fluid changes. This is honestly one of the biggest reasons cars fail early. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and differential fluid all break down over time. When they're old or contaminated, they just stop protecting the parts they're supposed to protect. That leads to wear, corrosion, overheating, and major mechanical failure. Following the manufacturer's fluid change schedule is seriously one of the easiest ways to make your car last longer.